in God. Now I want you to notice that. Life's accomplishment in God. There's a great difference between what God sees your life to be and what men see your life to be. And shalt believe in thine heart. What is your heart? Your spirit. With the heart you believe. You just know in your heart. You just know it. You just know it. There's no argument in your heart. You just know it inside your heart. You know. You believe it. You can't believe with your mind. So sometimes they ask us stupid questions. They say, you say that Jesus was born of a virgin. I said, but you were not there. How can you say you believe that? Because we believe with our spirit. Man doesn't believe with the mind. He believes with his spirit. Believing is not a thing of the mind. It's with the spirit. And to believe with your spirit, you can believe something you've never seen. That's the ability of the human spirit. The human spirit was made in the image and likeness of God. Image of God means in the form, looking like God. Likeness of God means to function like God. And how does God function? The Bible shows us that God functions by faith and by love. See, he functions by faith and by love.